Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you're very fit and fine. Today, I want to share very beautiful, very charming, and very attractive and latest and beautiful charming looks of this video. It's all about the our latest design. So basically, is that for related any patterns of decorations related many others videos are also to sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas, with many beautiful and charming ideas if you guys like. So latest designs and latest videos of more decorations ideas of 200 plus authentic cozy Halloween bedroom decor ideas to try in 2024. Indoor Halloween decorations are will be sharing these authentic and Halloween's bedroom are latest and most demanding and charmful and good looking designs. If you guys like so interesting and beautiful design and most demanding ideas, you will be also to sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many designs, many beautiful and unique full ideas. You will be amazing, you will be a stunning full and most demanding. Our Halloweens are mostly like adding this lighting, different colors, combo of lightings like blue, red and others wise. So you will be sharing with newest designs of 2024 ideas our bedrooms according many videos, many designs you will be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many designs, many videos and latest most demanding ideas. Are you like these perfectly ideas? It's perfectly and many more and other videos. It's another ideas and unique full designs of bedroom Halloweens are full authentic like bed and different decorations. Things of Halloweens are according to another's and most demanding designs, most charmful videos. I will always be sharing with you are sharing with many designs, many Halloween's designs are according to different colors combo, different designs, different faces Halloween's and you will be according to many ideas, many beautiful videos you will be sharing with you. I will be sharing with many beautiful according to another videos. It's another most demanding designs are always be sharing with you looking gorgeous and many previous videos are latest designs of latest interiors videos and you will also guys these amazing and stunning full and helpful designs of most amazing and good looking designs, good looking videos I will be sharing with you. I will be also to sharing with unique full ideas. It's very unique full videos or many others videos or many others ideas we will be keep sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful designs and most demanding videos. If you guys like so perfectly ideas, it's perfectly and stunning full designs. I will always be sharing with you. Everyone you like see many others videos, see many others design. You will be sharing with beautiful designs, it's beautiful videos and latest videos are most harmful ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing with many beautiful designs. So please subscribe to our channels and also to sharing with many beautiful ideas, with many beautiful videos and many others articles. So I am waiting for these comments, these beautiful and latest designs, latest and other ideas. and most harmful ideas. So let's go. Take care yourself. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillah.